This lineman is getting ready to do a job. One of the first things he does is inspect the equipment he's going to use to make sure it's safe. He starts with his gloves and sleeves, since they're used to insulate him from energized lines and equipment. Notice that he keeps his sleeves and gloves in a special bag, which protects them from damage while stored on the truck or when not in use. He begins by looking over his sleeves. Notice that he stretches the rubber to look for cracks, rotting, or punctures. When he's certain that his sleeves are in good shape, he carefully rolls the sleeves and returns them to the storage bag and goes on to check the rubber gloves. Notice that his gloves are stored in the bag with the cuffs at the bottom and with the protectors on. This prevents dirt, rocks, and the like from getting inside the gloves and possibly causing damage. He removes the leather protectors from one glove and begins by checking the fingers, palm, and cuffs. Keeping leather protectors on the gloves during storage and during work is one of the best ways of keeping them in good condition. Next, he holds the cuffs of the glove together and flips the glove around to trap air inside. This inflates the glove in a manner similar to the inflator used in the test shop. He will continue to look for evidence of damage by holding the inflated glove to his face and ear to see if he can hear or feel air leaking from the glove. When he's satisfied that the glove is in good condition, he will replace the leather protector and repeat these steps with the other glove. When he's satisfied that both gloves are in good condition, the last thing he does before returning the gloves to their storage bag is check the leather protectors for signs of wear. The lineman checks for tears in the leather, loose stitching, and weak spots that could allow a sharp object to penetrate the leather and puncture the rubber glove. With the gloves and sleeves back in the bag, the lineman now inspects the rubber blanket he'll need to do this job. Notice that the blanket has been rolled for storage and is held together with a clothespin. Tape or other similar material should not be used on any rubber goods, since the adhesive sticks to the rubber and accumulates dirt, which is a conductor. He inspects the blanket by stretching the material and looking for obvious signs of damage, and then by rolling the blanket tightly to reveal cracks and dry rotting that may not be evident when the blanket is laid flat. He also checks the test stamp to make sure it complies with company procedures. This inspection is very similar to the visual inspection performed in the test shop. When the lineman is satisfied that the blanket is in good shape, he'll go on to check other equipment that he'll need for this job.